Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you will be fine. This time talk about Border 2 box office Sunny Deol for Devon. Diljit Dosanjh film opens advances in India with a bang sells 10K tickets in no time by Jitinder Singh updated on 19 January 2026. Border 2 has opened advances in India and the entire response has been expectedly strong. While ticket sales officially began this morning, civil center stamp began by making tickets available late last night. At the time of writing, the war film featuring an ensemble of Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh and Ahon Shetty, led by Sunny Deol, has sold around 10,000 tickets across the national chains. Um, uh, PV Renox and Cinepolis for the opening day. Meanwhile, ticket booking platform Book My Show is reporting near 20,000 tickets sold so far. These are superb early numbers and clearly underline the sense of urgency among audiences. Body 2 is the kind of film that is expected to build strong momentum closer to release and see a sharp pickup on the final day of advances, making these entire figures particularly heartening. The target for the film will be to sell around 250K tickets at the national chains, which it can get to from the start. While that may not appear to be a big number compared to some uh, urgent. Body 2 is the kind of film that is expected to build strong momentum closer to release and see a sharp pickup on the final day of advances, making these entire figures particularly heartening. The target for the film will be to sell around 250K tickets at the national chains, which it can get to from the start, while that may not appear to be a big number compared to some of the other big films which have clocked over 400 to 500K tickets, their Border 2 is expected to have stronger sales elsewhere in non-national chains and single screens. For the record, Qatar 2 had sold 274K tickets at the national chains for its opening day. Border 2 is expected to open big with Bank Villa projects forecasting an opening day of around rupees 400 rupees 40 crore. It is always encouraging when advances align with expectations as they serve as the first real indicator of a film's box office. Earlier yesterday, it was reported how advances in overseas markets were off to a strong start, and now India has mirrored the same trend. Now the focus is to get the reception right and build on this start. There is a big national holiday for Republic Day on Monday, which should fear in a big way for this film, having patriotic themes. The last year was a mixed bag for the Hindi film industry, but it ended on a strong note with the record-breaking run of Tirundur, with Border 2 2026 looks set to carry that momentum forward with more major releases lined up across the year. Also, it exclusive Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal's Love and War pushed to 2027. Sanjay Leela, Bansali to rap, shoot in tune. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.